Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Hi,
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. I am also good. Fine. Yeah, mashallah. What's your name?
Rohan.
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 Rohan. That's
No, not M.
Rohan. Is it?
That's Rohham.
Rohan.
Rohan.
Okay, Rohan. Fine. Mashallah. Today, do you want to start Quran directly, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Mashallah. So, before starting Quran, we have to recite some du'as, okay?
Okay.
Inshallah, Allah will complete our Quran
Okay.
perfectly. So let's do it. Uh, First of all, recite أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
رب اشرح لي.
رب رسلي.
ربش say ربش
ربس
اشرح لي.
رحلي.
اشرح لي
رحلي
صدري
صدري
ويسره لي
ويسر لي
ويسره
ويسر
لي
لي
أمري
أمري
واحلل
وحلل
عقدة
وعقدة
عقدة
وعقدة
عقدة
وعقدة
دتم من لساني
باللسان
مل ميم من لساني
من لساني
يفقه قولي
وفقك لي
يفقه يفقه
لفقه
ق-
قولي.
يا رب يسر
رب يسر
ولا تعسر
ولا تؤثر
وتمم
وتمم
بالخير
بالخير
وبك
وبك
نستعين
نستعين
يا فتاح
يا فتاح.
يا رب العالمين.
ربحتني.
يا رب
لا يا ربا.
يا سي يا
يا
رب
رب لي.
just say رب
رب
العالمين.
العالمين.
Yeah, that's great, mashallah. ربي زدني
رب زدتني
علما
علما.
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 Yeah, do you know how to recite Surah Al-Fatiha?
مم.
Uh, we are praying when we pray every prayer in every rak'ah. We are reciting Surah Al-Fatiha. Let me show you this one. Do you know how to recite?
No.
Uh, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Don't know?
Ar-Rahman.
Okay. Okay. I'm telling you, okay, how to recite. First of all, we are going to recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay. Or if you need, I will take your test from Qaida.
That will be good.
Do you want to? I will take your test from Qaida.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just first of all, we are going to recite Surah Al-Fatiha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Bold it. This is ta, not ta. Okay. طانر رجيم.
الشيطان الرجيم.
طانر رجيم.
عن الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم
This
الله
is bis.
الرحمن
Do
الرحيم.
you know how to join letters?
A little bit.
Not
Not
proper.
all properly. Some of them not properly.
Okay, okay. Look at this. Basin kasra bis.
كسر بس.
This is bis. Okay. Mim lam kasra mil.
ميم زر.
Meme. What do you know about what you are saying? Kasra or zir? Zabar zir pesh
زر.
or fatha kasra
زر.
dhamma? Okay, zabar zir pesh. Okay, because English students are mostly they are saying fatha kasra dhamma. Okay, basin zir bis.
فالسين بس.
Mim lam zir mil.
ميم.
Mim lam zir mil.
ميم لام زر مل.
Yeah, this is the joining of letters. Mil. Bismil. Lam. Lam khada zabar la. Bis.
لام بس.
Mil.
مل.
La.
لا
Ha.
هي.
Here. This will join with the ra. Ha will joining with ra.
here.
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 Bismillah. Here. Then raha. Zabar rah. Bis.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay. I'm going to recite and follow me. Okay. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Do you know how to recite?
No.
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحيم.
مالك يوم الدين. إي-
إك.
Yeah, I am going to recite. Okay, first of all. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Ameen. Yeah, this is the surah, okay? Surah
Okay.
Al-Fatiha. We are in every prayer of uh,
The
every prayer we are reciting this surah in every rak'ah. When we are going to perform, offer any prayer, so this is the must, okay? So I thought you know this.
And no, so I like had a teacher before. He was letting me to go like from one Gorton page to the other, and I was not reading like this. I was like reading the zebras and stuff inside it.
So do you know how to recite these now? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
So do you know how to recite these things, these letters?
No. Yes, yes.
So I think we are. May I take your test? Do you know how to recite these letters?
Yes.
So go for it. Recite.
Alif,
Yeah,
alif,
yeah,
ba, ta, ta, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamza, ya, ya.
yeah. There is little bit difference. Okay, if I read, is it good for you? Okay,
Yes.
like alif, this is ba, ta, tha. It will stretch till one alif. Your finger is close. Okay, your finger is close, and then you are going to open. This is the length of stretchness of any letter from here. There is some of letters we will stretch till one alif. One alif means your finger is close and you are going to open. This is the length during opening. Ba, ta, like it. Tha, and jim will, yeah, jim will stretch a little bit more, like a three alif. Jim, and this is ha. Ha will exit from your mid of throat. Okay, ha.
Ka,
Yeah, this is kho. This is
ha,
dal. It will
dal,
stretch. Yeah,
zal,
yeah, dal. Your
ra,
yeah, your tongue. Yeah, starting of your tongue will touch your front teeth side. Then dal will exit. Dal. This is raw.
zal,
Yeah, this is raw. How to
ra,
read? Yeah, let me tell you raw. RAW. Okay, raw. In English also we are saying raw. Come in one raw. Okay, this is raw, and your tongue will vibrate. Okay, when you are reciting this letter, your tongue will,
recite,
when you are recite mean reading. When you are going to read this letter, then your tongue will vibrate little bit. Okay, like raw, like it raw. This is raw. Okay,
ra,
yeah. And this letter, when you are going to recite, this is za. It will force on it. Okay, like it za.
ah,
Yeah, we have in English language z. Okay, z, and
z,
there
yes.
is dal. There is little bit different difference between these two letters sound. Okay, in English we have another sound, not clearly like a uh, clearly like in English we are saying we are reading z. Okay, this is
I,
za and this is dal. It will read light.
that,
Dal will read light, and za will read little bit with force. Za. See?
za,
Yeah, this is the difference. And this one is seen.
sin,
Yeah, like in we are saying in English also seen. Do you know seen? WhatsApp
Mm,
messages seen. Some people, my messages.
I do not
Okay,
know.
okay. Seen in English also use. Okay, scenery, scene. Okay,
Okay.
like a good uh, place picture. Scene. Okay, scene. This is what scene.
Seen.
Yeah, and scene sound like a whistle sound. Okay, sound is scene, like a whistle sound.
Seen.
Yeah, and this one is called
Seen.
sheen. Yeah, good. And this will read sod. When you are reading, I'm telling you this is the reading. Okay, this is sod, and this is the writing of sod. Okay,
Okay.
we write like it, and this is how we are reading. Sod. Say,
God.
yeah, this is Vod.
Zod.
And this one is called O.
Ah.
Yeah, this is O. Your
Ah.
front of your tongue will touch roots of your front teeth. Like it.
God.
O. Yeah, O. Yeah. And this one, Vo. Zo.
God.
Yeah, this is like there is four letters, like a Z sound in English, but there is every letter have different
Their
sound.
original name.
Yeah, this is Vod, this is Za, this is Zal, this is Va. Different sound, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, this is Ain,
Ein.
Ain,
Ein.
Ain, and Ha exit point is same, mid of throat. Okay, Ain and Ha. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Just I'm today is first day. I'm checking your pronunciation and do you know or not knowing these letters how to pronounce and join. Now I will go to another chapter as well. This is what fa
Fa.
fa fa.
Fa.
Yeah, I completed uh, in 1 month, 2 month, and 3 month this qaida for my students. Okay, don't worry. Inshallah, just I'm taking a test. If you need more better
Fa.
reading, I will, inshallah, I will let you know about it.
Okay.
Uh, in the last month, I completed my daughter's qaida in just 1 month. Okay, don't worry about it. Fa,
Fa.
yeah, this is qaf.
Ka.
Yeah, qaf.
Ka.
This is the reading of qaf. Okay, this is qaf.
Okay.
Okay,
So
when
like
yeah,
so like if
fa.
there's a fa and you
Yeah,
add
yeah,
the
yeah,
that is
yeah,
ka.
yeah. Listen, when you are going to finish off sound, then your sound will complete on fa. Your front teeth, it's called in Arabic, sanaya ulya, front teeth, okay? Upper front teeth. And it will touch your uh, this lip, okay?
Okay.
Not upper lip, this lip,
Down your lip.
down lip, yeah, this lip. Fa, okay, this is fa, and this is qaf. When you
Ka.
can you see your front teeth touching your down lip? Qaf, got it?
Ka.
Yeah, and this will read lightly. Okay, this is kaf.
Ka.
Yeah, this is kaf.
Ka.
Yeah, this is the reading style, and this is the writing style. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, kaf.
Kaf.
And also your sound will finish on fa. Okay, during reading this letter, kaf. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and come to the next one, lam.
Lam.
Yeah, this is what, meme.
Mim.
Meme.
Mim.
Yeah, this is also starting from meme and ending of this letter on meme. Meme.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Like we are saying in English, good afternoon. Same like it. The sound is okay. Noon.
Noon.
Wow. What is it?
Wow.
When you see something amazing, what you say in English? Wow, that's
Wow.
great. This is same like it. Okay. Wow.
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 Yeah, and the upcoming letter is ha.
Ha.
This will exit from here. Ha. Ending of your throat. Okay. Ha.
Ha.
And some people are laughing like ha ha.
Yeah, they're like
Yeah.
doing ha 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 ha,
Ha
like
ha
some
ha ha. Like it. This is also ha.
ha.
Yeah, it will exit from ending of your throat. Okay.
Okay.
And this one, this ha,
Yes.
exit point is mid of throat. Ha and ain. Okay. Ha
Okay.
and ain exit point is mid of throat. And ghain and kha starting of throat. There is three levels of throat. These two letters, ghain and kha, exit point is starting of throat.
Mm, wanted to.
And these two letters, uh, exit point is mid of throat. And these two letters, the last two, exit point is ending of throat. Okay.
Okay.
Hamza. Hum.
Za.
Yeah, this is hum. Okay. Hum.
Ham.
Za. Za. This letter, and in the end of this letter, ha. Ha. This sound. Za and ha. This is za and then ha. This is called hamza.
Hamza.
Yeah, then ya in English, what we say? Yeah, yeah, that's great. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Ya, what is it?
Yeah.
And yeah, these two
Yeah.
letters called ya. And there is two dots in bottom. And this chapter called Huruful Hija or Mufradat. Huruful
Okay.
Hija means these letters will read with spell like alif, ba, ta in English like it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. And in
Okay.
English we have how many letters? Like A,
Mm,
B, C, D, E.
36 or probably 33 or so.
No, in English we
26.
have how many
20.
letters? 26.
Yeah.
26 letters. And in Quran or in Arabic language we have 29 letters. Okay. And how to read these letters? I will show you. Wait. These some of these these three letters, okay, and these two letters,
Okay.
okay, and this is the ra and za and o and va and
Mm,
fa. This is fa and ha and ya. These count it 3 to 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 letters will read till one alif. When you are reading, your sound will go the length of or capacity of one alif. Ba, ta, tha, ha, ho,
Jim.
ra, za, o, wa, fa, ha, and ya. But there is how many letters? 12. And there is 15 letters we will stretch till 3 alif. Like Jim, Dal, Zal. Okay. Yeah,
Sachin.
these four letters: Seen, Sheen, Sod, Vod, Ain, Ghain, and these five: Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, and Wow. And two letters remaining here. Let me tell you. I'm just telling you shortly. Uh, when I read these, so it will little bit take time, but you know these letters sound. Alhamdulillah. These two letters read normally, okay?
Okay.
These two. So I told you 12 letters will 12 letters will stretch till one alif, and 15 letters will stretch
One left.
till three alif. 15 letters. Jim, dal, zal, like it.
Okay.
How many got? 27, okay?
Okay.
27. Two letters remaining, these are Hamza and Alif. Alif and Hamza. It will not stretch. And how we will pronounce the Alif? We will not stretch when we are going to recite, when we go to read. Recite means reading this word uh, for Quran only, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Alif will not stretch. Alif will not read quickly. Okay, how to stretch Alif? Some people are saying like it. It will not read like it. Alif. Okay, it will read normally Alif, and not read quickly. Alif, Alif quickly. It's wrong, and it will read with the right way. There is third thing is it will read right with the right way. How? Alif, and wrong way what? Some people are saying Alaf. This is the wrong way of Alif. Just I want to tell you something about the first chapter, and this is the basics of Quran. If you know, your Quran will be better. Now, just tell me some and read it. This chapter. Just I.
Alif.
What is it?
Alif.
Okay, recite, recite.
Alif. Zebra. A.
Okay,
Sa. Alif. Zer. E.
okay,
Alif. Fish. U.
okay.
A. E. U.
One thing, let me tell you.
Mhm.
Alif definition is this. Can you see my marker? This is
Yeah.
Alif. Yeah, only Alif comes without any haraka. Haraka means this is Zabar, Zair, and Pesh. Okay? And there is some other harakat standing like Khala Zabar. What you say, Khala Zabar, Khadi Zair, Ulta Pesh, or standing Fatha, standing Kasra, standing Dhamma?
So like we say, like Kadi, Alif Kadi Zebra, Alif Kadi Z, and
Yeah,
then
this is in.
Urta Fish.
Listen,
Alif
this is in
Urta
Urdu
Fish.
language, okay? This is in Urdu language. The English, I am teaching some of and other students also in English. So English students are saying your teacher taught you like it, but this is what standing fatha or standing kasra, standing dhamma. But I am not telling you these things. Khada zabar, khadi jer, ulta pesh. Okay. So
Okay.
alif, this is alif, the
Mhm.
straight line. Okay, this is alif. When you are writing on it zabar or in down, zir or
Okay.
pesh. So it the name of alif will change, okay, with the hamza. Now it's not alif, it's hamza, okay.
Okay.
You read perfectly a e u, and this is ha he hu, okay. This is a e u, and it will read reverse as well.
Okay.
Okay, a e u and u e a. And what is it? Recite without spell.
Mhm. So like I had
This
one
is
teacher.
this is
Okay.
hamza, okay.
Okay.
Every time say this is hamza when you see any haraka on it, or in down of hamza, okay, down of alif, then it will be hamza, or this is sukun, okay.
Okay.
When it will come on it, so it will now also hamza, not alif. When you see only alone this line, so it will call alif, okay. This is the big mistake. So read the next one without the spell. Don't say ha zabar. Say
Ha
yeah,
he who.
good, ha he who. It will read. Listen, this in this chapter you must recite these letters without stretching. Okay, don't
Okay.
stretch. This is a e u quickly. A e
Okay.
u and u e a. Okay, and ha he who he ha. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Yeah, I will. If you want, ask your mom. I will teach you quickly, inshallah. Because there is, I'm seeing there is more difference. You don't know about these things. So what is it?
Ein level A.
Okay,
Ein
without spelling. Say just sound.
are A E U
Okay, and read it reverse.
U E A
Good. Then, mashallah, you are knowing sounds.
A he who
Good,
he ha.
good, mashallah. That's great. And read it, this chapter.
Mm, Mim du zeber. Mm,
Yeah, yeah. Meme do zabar.
Man.
Good. Don't say mim, okay? You said mim. It's meme, okay? Now say meme do zabar man.
Mim du zeber man.
Then
Mim du zer min. Mim du peshmun.
good.
Ma
Ma
mi
not. What did you say in starting? Not ma. Meme do zabar.
mim du zeber
What what?
man.
Yeah, man, not ma, okay?
Man
Yeah.
min mun mun min man.
No, in this chapter, no need for reading in reverse, okay?
Okay.
Just read directly. And one thing more, when you are going to read and recite this chapter, then you must hide your sound, your voice in your nose. It's called ghunna. What called? Ghunna.
Nah.
Ghunna. Yeah, there is wrote in Urdu language. This is ghunna, okay? Ghunna. Ghunna means you hide your voice in your nose. Like I'm going to recite one ayah of Quran, like inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Okay, inna, I hide the voice in my nose during reading inna. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Some some of places we are hiding the voice in my in our nose, and it's the beautifulness of Quran. Okay, it will showing good good sound. Okay, now this is what meme do zabar man. What is it?
Mim do zeber man.
Meme do zer min.
Mim do zer min.
Yeah, hide your
Do
voice in your nose.
fish mun.
Man min mun. Say
Man min mun.
ban bin bun.
Pan bin bun.
Now read the next one.
Wowzer. Wa.
No, no, only sound. What is the sound of O-N-E in
Ah.
English? O-N-E before two. O-N and E. What is it?
Oi.
No, no, what is it? Are you going to the school?
Yes, one.
Yeah, this is one. And wow do zabar? What? One. What?
Wowzer.
Wow
One.
do zabar? One. Okay.
Wowzer. One.
Yeah.
Well, do fish who well do their one
Win, win.
well do
My
do
team, my
win
team win the match. Okay, win the match. This is win. Okay, wow, those here win.
well they
One,
win
yeah,
one
one
win
win,
one
one. Say,
one win
yeah,
one
this one.
um uh,
This is fun. F-U-N, fun. Do you know fun in English?
yes
So this is the fun. Fun, fin, fun.
fun fin fun
Yeah, this is so easy. Okay. Don't worry about it. This is easy. Fun, fin, fun. This is sun, fin, fun. Okay, now I'm going to connecting and joining words and letters. Do you know? Do you know how to recite this word?
mm. Alif زبر A ba زبر ba Nun do زبر one
No, no. This is not noon. This is dal.
dal do
Yeah.
زبر done
Now what
abad
is abba?
abadan
Abadan. Yeah, good. And how you are going to work on it? Do you know waqf? Stop. How to stop your sound after it?
Hmm,
How to stop? This is abadan, okay? And waqf means you will go stopping the sound. It will read abada, abadan, abada. This is what.
abada
Yeah, this meeting will finish, okay? Because 40 minutes, we completed 40 minutes. Just finishing. Are you joining again, or this is enough for today? Ask your mom.
enough for today
Okay.
just my mom want to talk for you for a few minutes if you have time
Okay. If you want to join it again, join me. Or if you want your mom's want